Welcome to our YouTube channel Ideas for Life. In this video, we are discussing how Excel helps in financial modeling and the tools that are most frequently used in this process. Excel simplifies financial modeling by organizing and analyzing data, performing quick and accurate calculations, and creating visual representations of financial data. Some of the most frequently used tools in Excel for financial modeling include PivotTables, functions like NPV and if, data tables, goal seek, solver, conditional formatting, and charts and graphs. By mastering these tools, you can create accurate and detailed financial models that can help you make informed decisions and improve business outcomes. Financial modeling is a crucial part of any finance professional's job, and Excel is an essential tool in this process. By learning how to use Excel effectively for financial modeling, you can streamline your workflow, increase accuracy, and save time. Thanks for watching. We hope you found this video informative and helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more great content.